Diagnosis of balcony thermal bridges using infrared thermography. The optimization of energy efficiency and thermal performance in buildings hinges critically on high-performance insulation and airtight envelopes. However, the presence of thermal bridging significantly undermines the thermal integrity of these envelopes. Such bridges can emerge at various junctions, leading to increased transmission losses, heightened heat flow, and diminished surface temperatures indoors. While all EU member states' regulations acknowledge thermal bridges in new constructions, specific guidelines addressing the junctions between balconies and walls remain inadequate, leaving a gap in the regulatory framework regarding their impact on thermal performance. This study focuses on the assessment of balcony-to-wall thermal bridges through infrared thermography, showcasing its application in a contemporary residential building in northeastern France. The findings indicate a lack of compliance with national regulations, as certain criteria are unmet. Additionally, thermographic evaluations of thermal break windows and doors have uncovered instances of air leakage. This paper underscores the potential of thermal imaging as a vital tool for ensuring compliance with new building standards. Advocating for the inclusion of a quality assurance clause tailored to balcony junctions within the national building regulations across all EU states. Introduction. Reducing heat loss in winter and preventing unwanted heat gain in summer are essential for cutting energy bills and improving the comfort of buildings. Traditionally, builders have focused on good insulation and airtight construction to achieve energy efficiency. However, one major but often overlooked issue is thermal bridging. This happens when a material that easily conducts heat, like concrete, passes through insulation, creating a pathway for heat to escape. These weak points in the building structure can significantly reduce energy efficiency and cause cold spots, moisture problems, or even mold. In high-performance and low-energy buildings, the impact of thermal bridges is even more serious. Although many countries in Europe have included thermal bridge considerations in building regulations, actual quality checks during construction are often limited or missing. In France, for instance, energy performance is often assessed based on tests in only a few apartments, while the rest of the building gets the same certification. To address this issue, this study uses infrared (IR) thermography, a technique that uses thermal cameras to visually detect where heat is leaking from a building. A real case study of a new residential building in eastern France is presented, where IR imaging revealed significant heat loss at balcony connections, wall junctions, and window frames. These issues not only lead to higher energy use but also discomfort and health concerns for residents. This paper demonstrates that thermal imaging is a practical and powerful tool to inspect and improve the actual energy performance of new buildings. Conclusion. This study used infrared (IR) thermography, a non-invasive method, to investigate heat loss caused by thermal bridges in a recently built apartment. It found that areas like balcony connections and junctions between insulated and non-insulated walls were major sources of heat loss, despite meeting airtightness standards. One major issue was non-insulated concrete balconies, which allowed significant heat to escape. Even though the building passed the blower door airtightness test, thermal imaging revealed air leaks at window frames, affecting comfort and energy efficiency. The findings show that poor construction practices and lack of proper insulation can lead to hidden heat loss and discomfort for occupants. The study recommends stricter inspections during and after construction, more frequent blower door tests, and making thermal imaging a standard quality check. It also suggests requiring thermal breaks in balconies to reduce energy loss and ensure buildings truly meet energy performance standards. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.